The next divine name is Al-Hakam Al-Adl, which means the judge and the just. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who judges the actions of His creation and justly chooses the outcome of all things. The Muslim who understands that Allah, the Exalted, only acts with justice, will always be pleased with his choices and will therefore show patience in difficulty and gratitude in pleasing situations. The one who is content with the rulings of the just will find peace in this world and in the next. A Muslim must act on this divine name by always acting with justice with themselves and in matters concerning others. This includes fulfilling the rights of Allah, the Exalted, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, oneself and others according to the teachings of Islam, even if it contradicts one's desires or the desires of others. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 135.
O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah, even if it be against yourselves or parents and relatives. Whether one is rich or poor, Allah is more worthy of both. So follow not personal inclination, lest you not be just.
One must do justice in respect to the blessings they have been granted, both inward and outward, by using them in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Injustice only occurs when one misuses these blessings. As warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2447, injustice leads to darkness in the hereafter. Therefore, the one who acts with justice will be granted a light in both worlds which will guide them to success and peace. The one who achieves this will become a complete balanced believer. This is the character of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.